The universe, source energy, God wants you to be rich. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, high flyers, we've helped people in 60 different countries save their relationship, make more money, get a business started. And we can help you too. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. I believe that the universe is a good place. Sometimes things happen in the universe, in our lives, that are not in alignment with our beliefs of what is good, but that the universe generally is a benevolent, loving place. I believe God wants you to be rich. But I think there's a few things that you have to believe or you have to accept, you have to adopt into your life in order to unlock the benevolence, the favor of the universe, the favor of God. Number one is trust. Complete and total trust in God. Complete and total trust in the universe, in infinite light, in divine source. And that means when you set an intention, when you say, I am manifesting the following, what you're really doing is activating the infinite universe. I know the universe seems so huge, so big, but the universe is also very small. It exists within you. You are a reflection of the infinite universe. And the infinite universe responds to certainty, high flyers. Not to hope, not to wishing, not to needing, not to wanting, to certainty, absolute certainty. So when you place your trust in the universe, I had one lady, she got back together with her boyfriend after 15 months. They got married. They have at least one child, maybe two now. And at the time, she would say to me, Robert, I have absolute trust. I am absolutely certain that we will be back together because we already are in my heart. I already believe we have an incredible relationship in my heart and in my soul. And that certainty got a butt dial 15 months later, and then a glass of wine together, and then a marriage. Absolute certainty. But the certainty comes with trust in God. Trust in the universe. Not trust that God is going to do it for you, or trust that the universe is going to do it for you, but that you have created such a powerful intention that the universe has no choice but to match your intention. The second, and I think this is absolutely critical, it's a belief that I believe all true manifestors adopt at some point or another in their manifesting career. It's one of the key beliefs that bring about abundance and prosperity and wealth. And that belief is this: the universe provides infinite abundance. There is no ceiling on how much money, how much wealth you can pull into your life. I don't care how rich Solomon was. You have the ability to be $1 richer. You have the ability to have more money, more wealth, more prosperity than Solomon, because there is no ceiling and the universe provides unlimited abundance, unlimited wealth. From the time you were born, the universe provided everything that you needed. You needed to grow food, nutrients, air, sun, earth, salt, ocean. Everything was already provided for you. And everything else equally is already provided. In other words, high flyers, think about it this way. From the time you were born, everything you needed was provided by the earth, including the things you couldn't see, including the money you didn't have yet, or you believed you didn't have, including the wealth that you could not see. So there is the visible, what I can see, what I can touch, what I can feel, and there is the invisible. Money is a vibration. It's an energy. It's invisible. Look at that paper stuff that you're holding isn't money. That's just paper. That's just a representation of money. That's just a representation of wealth. That's just a representation of riches. So once you come to believe that the universe has unlimited wealth and will provide you with whatever you need, then the money starts flowing. Then you've opened up the doors and the money begins to flow easily, effortlessly into your life. I think this belief is absolutely critical. The universe gives so that you will give. So here's how it works. With whatever you have right now, make a promise to yourself for the next 28 days, for the next lunar cycle. For the next 28 days, you're going to give away something to someone in need every single day. You will not go to bed at night until you've given something away. The universe is giving to you so that you will give, so that the universe can give you more. And you can give more. And the universe gives you more. And you can give more. You see, the universe wants you to be rich so that you can help others, so that you can make an impact in this world with your thoughts, with your actions, with your emotions and feelings and beliefs, and with your wealth. Well, high flyers, science explains that the universe is constantly expanding. And if the universe is constantly expanding, so is your potential to be rich. So is your ability to have what you desire. Everything is expanding. Your wealth is growing. Your riches are growing. Now, the rate at which your riches are growing depends on your beliefs. Choose to believe that you are wealthy. Choose to believe that you are a millionaire, and the wealth will flow into your life much easier and faster than if you choose to believe you're poor and broke and down and out. Your choice. Make the choice to choose to believe right now that you are rich. Finally, high flyers, this is important. We have to understand what motivates, what moves God, what moves the universe, what inspires source energy to take action in your life and bring you riches. And it's one thing. It's certainty. Let me give you a religious word for certainty. Faith. Absolute faith. Absolute certainty. When you have this faith, this certainty, that the abundance you desire, the wealth you desire, the riches you desire are already flowing into your life and increasing daily, then that's exactly what is going to happen. It's already started. It's not going to happen. It is happening. You may not see it yet, but it is happening. The right people will come, the right opportunities, the right job offer, something will open up. And all of a sudden you'll go, wow, that's more money than I ever imagined. Look I think it's reasonable to start off to take your annual salary. Let's say your annual salary is $50,000 a year and divide it by 2. So that would be $25,000 a year. I think that it's reasonable to take that $25,000 and make it your monthly goal. So whatever your annual salary is, divide it by 2 and make that your monthly goal. Now, if you've already surpassed that, then don't go backwards. Keep expanding. The universe is expanding. This is just a starting point. This is just a stepping stone for those of you who are into wealth creation. And finally, a final thought. The universe wants you to be rich, but you have to develop specialized knowledge. Specialized knowledge in real estate or marketing or whatever river of wealth you want to fish. Okay, it's up to you. So there you go. We love you so much. Thank you. We only have intentions of your wealth and your riches. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.